In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the AI Writer or Content Optimizer tool inside a standard email editor to quickly generate and insert better email copy. To begin, open your email builder and move into any regular text editing area within your layout workspace. This should be the section where you normally type or edit the wording of your email. Go ahead and click directly inside that text block so the editor becomes active. This is important because the AI writing tool usually works based on the text module you currently have selected. Once the text editor is active, look for the inline editing toolbar that appears near the text area. On that toolbar, find the sparkle icon labeled AI Writer or Content Optimizer and click it. This will open the Writing Assistant pop-up where you can describe the kind of message you want the tool to create for you. Inside the pop-up box, type a clear and descriptive prompt. The more specific your instruction is, the more useful the generated copy will usually be. For example, focus on the goal of the message, the tone you want, and the main point you need to communicate. A short prompt can work, but a slightly more detailed instruction often gives you stronger results and saves editing time afterward. Keep your wording direct, so the tool understands exactly what kind of email copy you need. After entering your prompt, click the Generate button. The system will then create a set of alternative draft variations for you to review. Take a moment to read through the options instead of choosing the first one immediately. Different versions may present the same idea with different wording, tone, or structure, so it helps to compare them before making your selection. When you find the version that best matches your message, select that preferred copy option and click Insert. This will automatically place the generated text into your active email content block, saving you from copying and pasting manually. From there, you can continue refining the message in the editor if needed, but the main writing draft will already be in place. That's the full process. Activate the text area, open the AI Writer or Content Optimizer, enter a clear prompt, generate the options, and insert the version you like